Rules of living together. Today, the house has a special guest, Kim, Anne's little sister. Find out what happens when Kim stays there and after she leaves as well. It may involve the falling of our favorite duo, Anne and Alice.
Hello everyone, my name is Kim. I am Anne's little sister. I just flew here from Italy.
Hi Kim, Anne told us a lot about you. My name is Jack. How was your flight?
It was great. I slept through most of it, so I feel really energetic now.
That's great. How was Italy? Is it as beautiful as we imagine it to be? My name is Alice, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Alice. Italy is a very beautiful indeed. Everyone is really artistic, so the country feels alive. But what I love most about it, though, is the food. You guys should really come and visit sometime.
Did I just hear artistic? I am an artist myself, a musical actor to be exact. Hi, my name is Peter.
Oh, hi Peter. And you are? I am Sharon, Peter's girlfriend. Really nice to meet you, Kim. Me too. It feels so nice to finally meet everyone. Anne speaks really highly of you guys. Aw, that's cute. Should we all go out to dinner tonight? I think we should welcome Kim to our group.
Good idea. Oh my God, Alice, it has been an hour already. Can you hurry up and let me in? I need to go to work.
Be patient, Jack. I need to finish my makeup first.
Oh, please, can't you do your makeup in your room? Hello, this is Jack. Oh, yes, I have heard about today's meeting. I am running a bit late today. Yes, I am really sorry about it. I will be there soon. Yes. Yes. I have already finished last week's task and I am working on our new deal today. Yes, thank you. See you at the office. Alice, are you still in there? Alice, come on! Alice!
I am sorry.
Oh, no, I am sorry. I really am. I thought you were Alice. I am in a rush this morning. Will you please excuse me?
It's all right. Good luck with your work.
Thank you. This dummy forgot his phone in the bathroom. Jack!
He's already gone, Alice.
Already? Oh, wow. Hello, people.
Hey, Jack, what's up? Why do you look like a zombie?
Today is the worst day of my life. I lost my phone, couldn't find it anywhere.
Your phone? You left it at home, Jack.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you forgot it on the bathroom counter. Alice tried reaching your number at your workplace, but she couldn't.
Oh, thank God.
Hey guys, Peter invited us for dinner. He wants our help with convincing Sharon about Japan. Still hasn't agreed to go with him yet.
Well, she should not have to go if she does not want to.
Japan is an amazing country, don't you think so?
No, I think there is nothing to do there.
Are you kidding? There is so much to do in Japan.
Yes, I agree. Even I want to go there with them. I visited Japan when I was 15 and it was so much fun. I bet it can only be better now. Why are you so against it, Jack? You know what? I don't think I'll be able to join you guys for dinner. I am exhausted. Please tell Peter and Sharon I said hello. Hey, Alice. Where is Anne? This parcel is for her.
I don't know. What is this, Peter?
Don't do that, Alice. It might be fragile, so don't shake it too hard.
Fragile? Oh, I know. It must be the set of Chinese porcelain that Anne saved up her points for.
Really? That's cool. All right, Alice. I have to go now. See you later.
Okay. See you later.
I knew it! Anne, guess what arrived at our house?
What?
It's your set of Chinese porcelain. Are you excited?
Have you already opened it, Alice?
Yes. I couldn't help being curious. Sorry, Anne. Oops.
What was that, Alice?
I accidentally broke one of the dishes. I swear I didn't mean to. I am so sorry.
Alice, how could you? Don't you dare touch the set anymore. Put it away and wait until I get home, please.
Okay. Be careful, Jack. You don't want to drop that box. It's Anne's porcelain set. She's already mad because I broke one of the dishes. I'm so dead.
You're really dead, Alice. What are you going to do?
Well, just accept it, I guess. I don't think she can be mad for too long.
But you know her, Alice. If she is angry, she will not cook for us anymore. And we, you and me, suck at cooking.
Oh, I forgot about that. I'm so sorry.
Well, then learn how to cook and prepare a feast for dinner, Alice. Maybe she will be less mad when she sees it.
Learn now? I don't think I'll make it. Anne is going to be home in an hour.
Do you have any other ideas then?
What about this? We go out and buy food, then pretend that we cooked it ourselves. She'll be so happy that we cooked for her and totally forget about the broken dish.
Not a bad idea at all. Well, let's go get it.
Hi, Anne. What's that on your hand?
Hi, everyone. Listen, we need some rules in this house. We need rules if we live together. I forgot them in the beginning. But now I will put down some. I spent time listing out a few things that everyone should adhere to. That includes you, Sharon. Nobody can leave this room without understanding and remembering all these rules.
Do we really have to do this?
She's right, Jack. Please continue, our dear Anne.
Do not dear me. Listen. Number 1, from now on, you can never, ever open my parcels. Number 2, clean the house twice a week. Number 3, we take turns doing number 2. Number 4.
Okay, Anne. We understand that you are angry.
Yes, I am very angry. Do you know how much time I spent waiting for that set? I saved up my points for a whole year, ate the same cookies over and over again for it, and then what?
Please forgive me. Just tell me where to get one. I'll buy you a new set, okay?
It's impossible. It's handmade in Shanghai and incredibly expensive. You know that?
Okay, Anne, just sit down first. I'm sure you had a long day. Jack and I prepared dinner for you, and you don't have to do anything.
That's right.
What?
You made me dinner? For real?
Yes, that's the least we can do for you, Anne.
Oh, I guess I can forgive you this time then.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.